to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Arapana and I do a lot of clothing hauls, motherhood content, lifestyle videos on this channel. I also do a lot of bougie on a budget videos, so if you enjoy Walmart hauls, Target hauls, occasional Shein hauls, things like that, please subscribe. But today we have a Nordstrom haul. I have not done a Nordstrom haul in such a long time. I haven't done one actually since the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so I did a bunch of hauls during the anniversary sale, but I figured it was time to show you guys some new pieces at Nordstrom. A lot of these things were on sale and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I'm hoping they're still available for purchasing because a lot of them were on sale at a really great price, so very comparable to like Target prices, some of these items, not all but some of them. And also I'm really disappointed and sad because this has never happened before, but Nordstrom lost half of my order, or they forgot to pack half of my order. I don't know which way to put it. Basically my shipment was broken up into a couple of boxes. So there were two big boxes. The first one I received with my items inside, which is all of these clothing items right here. But there was another box filled with a bunch of goodies that I did receive the box, but there were only 2 items out of like 8 items in the box. I don't know what happened there. That's never happened before with any retailer that I've ever purchased from, and that's a lot of clothing items to not be in the box. I'm a little stressed out about that because I called them and they said that they would get back to me in like 3 to 5 days, and I haven't heard anything yet. So I don't know what's going on there. Nordstrom, if you're seeing this video, which you probably are not, but please, I need my refund because I did not get my items. And this is not to shade Nordstrom because I have ordered 1,000 times from them and I love them. They're really good. I just do not know what happened this time. I think it was an error in the warehouse, so I'm not holding it against Nordstrom because I do love them. I just think it was a human error, but it was a big human error to make. But with all that being said, let's jump into this video and show you all the goodies that I am actually able to show you. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about are the necklaces that I've had on. If you watched some of my recent videos, you would have seen this evil eye necklace already. I've worn it a bunch of times. This mama necklace I love. I think this would be a really nice Mother's Day gift, even a Valentine's Day gift, because I think it's really special to any mother in your life. I think they would really like this. I think it's so pretty. And then this evil eye necklace I am obsessed with. I think it's so pretty and dainty, so I just layered them together because I like the look of layered necklaces. So I like the daintiness of both of them together. I thought it was a nice little look. And this evil eye necklace is a little bit different because it does have like a little stone up here. I'm not sure if you can see, but it does have like a little stone, so it reflects really pretty in the light. The mama necklace also has like a little bit of bling to it, so it does reflect really nicely. I think they look really nice together. So if you watched my Target haul, you would have seen that I picked up a crossbody purse from Target, which was like $18, very affordable. This is by Topshop and this says it was $58.99, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. I love this one way more than the Target one, so I'm gonna end up taking the Target one back because I do that a lot. If I buy something and then I see something that I like a little bit more, I will just return the other item. So you can wear this bag as a crossbody bag, which I love. I love this like gold hardware. It's so pretty. Also, you can wear it as a shoulder bag, and I'm going to open it up to pull out the strap to show you, but that's how it opens. You just twist that down, this pops up, and then this is the remainder of the strap that you can adjust so you can wear it as a shoulder bag as well. I just love this. I love the quilted look of it. I've seen a lot of bags in this like puffy quilted look, which is kind of like a YSL look. I will pop that YSL bag up on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. So this is what the inside looks like. It's stuffed with paper. Let me take out the paper to show you. So when you take out the paper, it's just one big open space, which is nice. It does have this little pocket back here, and the logo here just says Topshop on it. So it is a very spacious bag. This can be like your everyday bag, or it can be a going out bag. It's really up to you. I love the pink color. I chose the pink over the other colors. I think it comes in black and blue, maybe gray, I'm not sure, but I chose this one because I don't know, I was just drawn to this color. I think it would look really pretty in the springtime. I love how soft it is. This to me honestly feels like it's actual leather, but it's not. It's faux leather, but it looks and feels as if it is real leather. So I really like it because the quality on it is really nice for the price, because you know leather is more expensive, so it gives you that leather look without the leather price. So I definitely recommend this one. I think it is worth it, and that is what the back looks like. So next up I have a pair of blue light glasses that I picked up. These are from the brand BP and they were only $15, so very affordable. Actually probably cheaper than the ones on Amazon. I do like the style of this one. So this one is like an iridescent looking frame, so it does have like a little bit of a tortoise shell pattern there, but then it also has like the clear glass look to it. So I do really like it. It's like a grayish color, so I liked the uniqueness of it. The only thing is I think I'm going to take this back because it does feel a little bit tight on my face. I do have like a more chubbier face, so if I put it on, that's what it looks like on me. It's not super tight, but I just feel like it's a little too tight on my face on this part here. But I mean, you can, you know, take it and get it adjusted at like any eyeglass place. Blue light glasses are great if you're constantly looking at your phone, working on your computer, your laptop, looking at a tablet. These are just really good if you're watching a lot of TV. These work really well if you're like binge watching a Netflix show. They just are great for electronic devices. So these are 100% UV protection, and these are only $15 like I mentioned, so I think this is a really great price. And I also want to mention that Nordstrom does offer free shipping and returns on anything, so you can literally buy something for $1 and they will ship it to you for free and return it for free. Okay, so I think I'm going to finish up the shoes before I jump into the clothing items, because honestly I do a lot of clothing hauls on this channel, so let's switch it up a little bit. So I wanted a pair of black sneakers because I have pink sneakers, I have white sneakers, but no black sneakers. I was wearing an outfit the other day and I wanted to wear some black sneakers, and I was like, I don't have any black sneakers and I don't know why. These were on sale. I forgot how much they were on sale for. I believe these were on sale for $50. This is by Adidas and this is in the size 8, and these are the Swift Run XW. I love Adidas sneakers. I think they are really good quality sneakers and they look really nice on your feet, and they're so comfortable. These would be really great for running, walking, jogging, working out, or just running errands. So this part doesn't come up, so you basically just slip your foot into it. There's no like open tongue, so keep that in mind if you're interested in buying these. But I don't find that they're hard to slip on and off of your foot. I actually find them comfortable. If you need to tighten it, you can just tighten the laces. So this is the pair I decided to go with because they were on sale again. I did see another pair that I wanted, but they were not on sale, so I went with these ones. That's what the bottoms look like. So they have a really nice grip to them. I'm an 8 typically, and I can fit into kids what is it, size 6 I think. So if you want sneakers and you don't want to pay the adult price, if you can fit into the kid size, definitely grab the kid size. Okay, so the next pair of shoes I wanted to show you are these Michael Kors boots that I'm not in love with, so I'm definitely taking these back. I like them, but I don't love them. There's nothing like special about them. Again, these were on sale as well. I believe these are real leather and they do have silver hardware, so you can see Michael Kors is right there, and then they do have a zip down here, and the zipper also says Michael Kors, so it zips down. It's a very comfortable boot. I don't find it to be uncomfortable. I didn't find it like, I don't know, maybe because I picked it up in the silver, I just was not in love with it. This is in a size 8. This is what the bottom looks like. So I like them, I just don't love them. I don't think they're worth keeping if I don't love them. But they are a nice basic booty to have. I think they're really cute. They'll go with anything, to be honest. I don't know, I feel like because I already have a pair of black boots, I don't really need these. I just wanted one that was a little bit shorter in heel, and it wasn't like a chunky heel, just a plain basic boot to wear with anything. Well, maybe I will keep them. So this is what they look like up close. They do have like a little bit of like a pebbled shoe type of look, so they are really nice quality from what I can feel right now. Again, I haven't worn anything out, so I can't tell you how well it holds up, but so far from looking at it, it looks really nice. So yeah, this is the last shoe I wanted to show you. Okay, so now let's move on to the clothing items. I found this really interesting, unique shirt on sale for, I believe, under $30 at the time. So what it is an off-the-shoulder top, but it has a white and black color block. It's so like different, you know what I mean? So I love this top. I love the way this looks. I think it's really different. This would look so nice with anything like high-waisted, because it is more of like a shorter top. I wouldn't say it's like a crop top. It's a top that's very interesting. It's different but so pretty at the same time. I just really like the way it fits. It's not like tight at all. It fits comfortably, and the shoulders, you know how when you wear off the shoulder tops you feel like you constantly have to pull them up or adjust them? I did not feel like that when I wore this top. When I tried it on, I did not feel like I had to constantly adjust them. I felt really comfortable, like I could move freely, or I didn't have to worry about it like falling down, because that would be way worse if it like came undone. I didn't feel like that, so I definitely recommend this top. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I love bodysuits. So this is another bodysuit that I picked up, and the material on this one feels so nice, you guys, like such good quality. This one is by the brand Fourth Reckless. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. I've never purchased anything. It says she had a certain kind of vibe about her that made everyone want to know more. Oh, that's interesting. Don't be too reckless, no tag, no return, I'm yours forever. So that's a really interesting tag. This is in an extra large, and I love the front part of it. So this is the cup. You can wear a bra with this or you cannot. It's really up to you how comfortable you are, so the option is there. So it has these faux buttons in the front. Those are not real, they're not functioning, and it is very stretchy, and the material is like this velvety soft material, and I love this color. This top does come in other colors as well, but of course I love these types of colors, so I chose this one. So that is what the back of the bodysuit looks like. So next up is a pair of jeans. These are by Topshop, and these are the Jamie jeans, and these are in a size 34-30. I love Topshop jeans. If you have never owned a pair of Topshop jeans, I suggest trying them out. They just kind of conform to your body in a really nice way. They're very stretchy. They do have like a nice medium thick material to them, so I just got them in this like medium wash. I used to wear Topshop jeans all the time. These used to be my favorite brand of jeans to wear. Like 3-4 years ago, I used to wear these jeans all the time because I just love them. But then of course I wanted to try other jeans, so I kind of forgot about how much I really like their jeans, and every time I shop at Nordstrom I am reminded why. Okay, so next up we have something I've had for a little bit of time and I absolutely love. It is my Barefoot Dreams cardigan. I really wanted this one during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but they were sold out in this pattern. I was able to pick this up in the blanket version and like the lighter brown color, which you guys have already seen, or you've seen it on my bed or something, because I use that thing all the time. Right now it's outside on my sofa, but when I saw that they had this back in stock on sale, I had to grab it. So the first time I ever wore this, I accidentally fell asleep with this on in bed and slept the whole night through it, and I kid you not, I had such a good night's sleep that night. And I don't know if it's because I fell asleep in this cozy cardigan. It just made all the difference. It's super soft, so warm, so cozy and plush, and the more you wash them, I feel like the softer and more plush they get. If you've never heard of Barefoot Dreams, they just make the softest clothing pieces. Everyone raves about their cardigans and their blankets, and for good reason, because they're really good quality and they last such a long time. This is a nice heavyweight material, so it will definitely keep you warm. I do like wearing this in the home. If I am cold, I just throw this on over whatever I have on. If I need to run down to get my DoorDash order, I will throw this on. If I'm getting the mail, I will throw this on. It's just a really comfy cardigan, and I like the fact that it has pockets so I can easily put my phone in there. It comes in a bunch of different colors, styles. They have so many cardigans from this brand. I just highly recommend them. Again, I was able to snag this one on sale, but it is so worth whatever price it is, because honestly it's an investment piece, but it's so worth it because the quality on it is amazing. It is the softest thing in the world. It washes really well and it will last you years and years. So I just have 2 more items to show you. Next up is a jumpsuit. So it is this black jumpsuit and it is by the brand Naked. So I believe this is one of the Williams sisters brands. I think this is Serena Williams brand. So it's called Naked. She has a bunch of pieces. I actually ordered more stuff that is from her brand to test out and try out for you guys, but again, they didn't put it in my box. A whole bunch of items. I even got like matching outfits for me and the girls to wear. Again, I don't know what happened, so I ended up only receiving this black jumpsuit, and so far the quality on this feels really nice. These are a little bit more pricey. I did not believe I got these on sale. I think these were regular price. Such good material. So if you're looking to just add a basic staple into your closet, I definitely recommend this because you can layer other things on top of this. I wouldn't just wear this like this outside. That's just not my style. But I would layer like a long jacket over this with some boots, a long cardigan, like, you know, something really cute. You can even wear like a cropped moto jacket with this, puffer jacket, like literally layering it with other items. You can tie like a plaid shirt around your waist and wear some cute like combat boots with it. That would look really cute. So this is a nice like layering piece. If you don't know what to wear, throw this one piece bodysuit on and just add layers and jewelry and things like that to it. I think this is trending right now. I feel like it just hugs your body in a flattering way. Sometimes tight clothing emphasizes the parts you don't want to show, but I feel like this just like enhances those areas. I don't know. I think the material is magic. I don't know what's in the material, but it definitely helps you out. So if you're looking for a good staple, a good layering piece that will keep you warm, definitely check out this box. The last item I wanted to show you is a leather jacket. Now I did order this jacket in an extra large before, and I love the way this part fit. Like it just fits so good on me, but the arms were a little tight. I do have like bigger arms, and that's just always been the case with me. I've always had like bigger arms, so the arms are just too tight on me. So I ordered an XXL. The arms fit really nicely. They fit me, but this part here is just like too big. I feel like there's just extra material, so I think I'm just going to take this back. This was on sale as well. It was a really good price for a real leather jacket. This is a real leather one. I love the structure of it, as you will see in the try on. It just has like a really nice shape to it. I love that it like zips up on the side. It's really cute. This is what the back of it looks like. It's a nice simple jacket to add to your collection. Again, leather jackets go with anything. It does have like silver hardware. It does have pockets here on the side that do have a zipper as well, so you can zip them up if you have something in your pocket that you're scared may fall out. So the material on this is very soft. Again, it's real leather. It has a very light leather smell, so nothing overpowering. So under the sleeve has this part here, which is like a ribbed material, which is a little bit stretchy, so that's nice. So it kind of conforms to you. So yeah guys, that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this little haul, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I am sorry I did not receive the other items to show you guys. I am going to try to contact Nordstrom again because it was a lot of money and items for them to have not put in my box. So again, it's not to say that Nordstrom is a bad company to order from or purchase from, because they absolutely are not. They're actually one of my favorite stores to shop from. I love shopping from them. I just don't know what happened. Whoever packaged my order made a really big boo-boo, but yeah, that's all I have to show you guys for today. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.